Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a laptop. First, ensure your laptop meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. You will need at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and a processor from the last 10 years. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the official Roblox website. Once there, find any game and click the green play button. This action will prompt you to download the Roblox player. After downloading, locate the Roblox installer file, usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to start the installation. Follow the simple on-screen instructions, which typically involve clicking Run and OK. The installation usually takes less than 1 minute. Once installed, you will be prompted to create a new Roblox account or log in if you already have one. This step is crucial for saving your progress. With your account set up, you are ready to explore the incredible world of Roblox games. The platform boasts millions of user-created experiences, ranging from adventure to simulation. Use the search bar and filters to discover games that match your interests. You can sort by popularity, genre, or even specific keywords. Clicking on a game's thumbnail will take you to its dedicated page, where you can learn more before jumping in. Once in a game, you will typically use the W, A, S, D keys for movement and your mouse to control the camera and interact. Many games also utilize the spacebar for jumping. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the specific controls for each game, as they can vary. You can also customize your avatar and adjust in-game settings like graphics quality for optimal performance. Enjoy connecting with millions of players worldwide.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.